Just imagine going on a road trip to Disneyland with your family, and your car goes berserk. The car won't start, the sound doesn't work anymore, the lights refuse to turn on, the display goes blank, and the navigation resets continuously. So, you're literally, well, it's not the most fortunate situation. Your trip is cut short, and your kids wonder how that had to happen during their fun time. Rushing down to your car dealership, the dealer tells you that the problem is of a rare gravity, which can only be solved by buying a new onboard computer that costs €3,000. Your jaw would drop, right? You can choose to spend your hard-earned money at the dealer like that. But here is the real deal. Are you ready? MCA Services offers to handle all electronic module repairs, especially for brands like BMW, Audi, Porsche, Mazda, Alfa Romeo, Mercedes, Volkswagen, Seat and Skoda. No matter how serious it appears, it can be repaired. And the repair cost is only 10% of what your dealer will. Did I mention the 1-year warranty you get? With clients from all over the world, we are trusted and reliable. No hidden prices or surprises, and you can enjoy the buyer protection from PayPal. What are you waiting for? Visit www.mca.electricmura.ro today.